Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling object snaps so AutoCAD knows what to target. Turn on OSnap or press F3. Open Options and ensure Midpoint is checked along with Endpoint. Next, set your running OSnap to include midpoint and endpoint so you don't miss reference geometry. Once done, make sure the correct drawing layer is active and your object selection filters are off. This foundation prevents misclicks and lets AutoCAD calculate exact midpoints, instead of relying on approximate placement. Now you locate the midpoint. Start a command that accepts a point, like line or move, and hover over the target segment until the midpoint glyph appears. That's the cue to click. If you're snapping during drawing, type MID or choose midpoint from the OSnap menu to force it. For polylines and arcs, pick the specific segment or arc. AutoCAD treats each segment separately, so you must target the part you want. If precision is critical, temporarily zoom in to verify the glyph alignment. Finish by confirming the point and handling issues. After snapping to the midpoint, use the ID command to read coordinates and verify accuracy. If you don't see a midpoint cue, toggle running OSnap off and on or type MID to force the snap for that click. When snapping still fails, check whether the object is a block, XREF, or has grips disabled. Explode or edit the source so midpoints register. One key tip: if snaps act unpredictable, restart AutoCAD to clear temporary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.